Join Colonel Gene as he delves into humanity's ongoing quest to discover intelligent extraterrestrial life. This episode explores groundbreaking technologies like virtual unwrapping, advanced telescopes, and AI-driven data analysis. Uncover ancient mysteries, recent discoveries, and the tools shaping our search for proof that we are not alone. Here's Colonel Gene.
Hi, folks. This is Colonel Gene again from Alien Agenda. Today, we will be looking at some of the 21st century technology that is being used to find aliens in our universe. In early 2025, my new book, Are They Out There?, will be released. That will include a vast amount of information that has been uncovered, including color photographs from the Hubble and Webb space telescopes. Please be on the lookout for my new book. For eons, man has observed things that pique the question about existence of other intelligent life. We have talked about drawings that our ancestors have created on cliffs and in caves that appear like aliens or spacecraft. There are paintings from as far back as the Middle Ages to the 18th century that show strange objects in the sky. We have stories like the one of Christopher Columbus, who observed a UFO disappearing into the ocean in 1492. We are developing more and more devices that look into space, like the Webb Space Telescope and spacecrafts, to move into our universe and gather data in an effort to discover other intelligent beings. Some of these devices have detailed pictures, while others are sample radiation and magnetic fields. We are now also extracting core samples from other planets and asteroids in our search for life. We hope in the near future to return these samples to Earth for analysis. We are also discovering artifacts from the past on Earth that may provide some documentation about actual visits to our planet by aliens. As we uncover evidence from our past that our ancestors have recorded, we may see that they have actually experienced the direct alien contact and answered the question, yes, life does in fact exist, and that intelligent life has visited planet Earth. One such development to help uncover what has been recorded thousands of years ago is something called virtual unwrapping. This technology was developed at the University of Kentucky by a Dr. W. Brent Sales. This amazing development enables scrolls to be virtually unrolled using a 3D X-ray system without destroying the scrolls. After they are unrolled virtually, the writing can be read because the ink used was a carbon-based material, and a sophisticated artificial intelligence system can separate the carbon-based ink from the remainder of the parchment, thus enabling the scientists to view the message and decode it. One of the first scrolls that was read using this amazing process was a writing by Demetrius about 2,300 years ago. To the astonishment of the scientists who translated the scroll, they found he is explaining that all matter is made up of atoms. This begs the question, how did Demetrius 2,300 years ago know anything about atoms? Is it possible he had help? This scroll was part of the library at the Villa of Pompeii in the ancient Roman estate of Herculaneum that is believed to have belonged to the father-in-law of Caesar. In 79 AD, this library was covered by a blanket of soot when Vesuvius erupted, bearing about 1,800 scrolls. Why is this so important? Who knows what might be recorded in these scrolls about what our ancestors experienced with extraterrestrials? It is believed that scrolls have been uncovered that contain the writings from the book of Leviticus. It is also believed that some of the scrolls contain the writings of Apostle Paul from 50 to 60 AD. Recent grants have been made available to unroll virtually and decipher approximately 600 of these scrolls. We can only imagine as to what information will be uncovered, including possible encounters by our ancestors with aliens. For over 70 years, science has been trying to uncover actual proof that intelligent life does exist in the universe. To date, absolute proof has eluded our search. Scientists with breakthrough listening devices may be on the brink of finally locating the proof we are seeking. The methodology is to try and listen to the communications of alien species in the universe. This concept differs from the earlier attempts of direct communication, which requires pinpoint contact. This approach, using ultra-sensitive listening devices, would seek communications of other life in their routine existence. Among these new instruments is the Square Calorimetry Array in South Africa that is comprised of hundreds of radio telescopes. Another new device is the Vera Rubin Observatory that is under construction in Chile. This observatory will contain the world's largest camera. This camera will be able to record the entire visible sky in 3 or 4 nights. It is hoped this device will help identify millions of new galaxies. By using artificial intelligence to analyze the data from these new devices, we hope to learn more about the possible existence of intelligent life out there. I hope this information about our continuing search was enlightening. As soon as these and other new technologies are employed, we may finally achieve our quest for answers about other intelligent life. On the other hand, we may hear a bulletin on TV or from our cell phones announcing aliens have just landed on the lawn of the White House. Please tell your friends about Alien Agenda, and until next time, be safe and keep looking. This is Colonel Gene signing off for today.
Are They Out There invites you on a captivating exploration of the universe's greatest mysteries. Dive into ancient sightings, the legendary Roswell incident, and eye-opening details from recent congressional hearings. This book reveals the most compelling evidence of UFOs and alien life. Don't wait, order your copy today on our website or Amazon and decide for yourself, are we truly alone in the cosmos?